Welcome to Richpeace Embroidery CAD software online lessons. Today's teach you, branch tool. Branch, to create a series of running stitch by the way of branch. Take branch tool from toolbar area by left click on your mouse. At first make a line object with branch tool and press enter one time. Then add additional line one by one to the main line, by pressing enter, each time. After adding all additional line press enter 2 time for generate stitch. Now you can see stitch run without any jump. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow again.